If you're looking for custom-built luxury new construction, but wanting to live on acreage in the country, while staying within Collin County and having easy access to highways and shopping and dining, 7755 Country Road 530 in Anna, Texas has everything you're looking for. Stay to the end of this video for pricing and acreage info. This home has all the benefits of a high-end estate with serene country views while being located just 20 minutes from McKinney and 3 minutes from Highway 121. Here are some features the sellers love about this home. Now for that pricing and acreage info. This home is listed on 2.034 acres with the option to add 2 additional adjoining lots for a total of 5.462 acres. Custom new construction homes with these types of finishes in Dallas and Collin County typically start around $450 per square foot. But this home is listed just under $300 per square foot. Go to loganwalter.com for more details.